What's up, my hernia family? I'm Jace, your hernia fitness guy, with exercises, fitness, and lifestyle tips when you have a hernia or after surgery. Today I want to show you an alternative to the plank. Don't get me wrong, it's a great exercise for the core, but it can lead to that uncomfortable sensation when your hernia protrudes because gravity can assist the hernia to fall. Instead, I suggest trying a hollow hold. To start, I would bring your legs up to 90 degrees and arms up. Drive your lower back into the floor and slowly lift your shoulder blades off the floor. You should feel tension through the abs when holding this position. And to make it more difficult, try moving your legs and arms further away from you, but ensuring that you keep your lower back solidly pushed into the ground. Try holding this for 30 to 60 seconds. So try replacing your plank with a hollow hold. I'm Jace, your hernia fitness guy. Subscribe to me on YouTube, and I'll see you next time on the next video.